Welcome to a quick guide on scheduling your content on Contentrain. Contentrain features a scheduled status in addition to publish, draft, and changed. To use this feature, you need at least a light plan. Now let's create our content and schedule it for future automatic release. Click here to add your content. After creating your content, click the Save and Schedule button from the drop-down, and in the pop-up, fill out the details to plan the auto-release. Select Publish and a date and a time if you like. When you click Schedule and Save, now your content is tagged as a scheduled draft and it's ready to be published at the specified date. To revert a published content to the draft status and schedule it to be unpublished, click here at the pencil icon, and then again from the drop-down, click Update and Schedule. This time in the pop-up, select Draft and the specified date and the time if you like. When you click the Schedule and Save button, now your content is ready to be unpublished and tagged as a draft at the specified date. And lastly, if you want to cancel a scheduled task, you can again click here, and here at the right panel at the bottom, click Cancel Task. After the confirmation step, don't forget to save your content again. Let's update and exit. This feature allows you to plan your content for future publishing or drafting, automating your content publishing process. Explore more on how to streamline your publishing workflow with Contentrain in our upcoming walkthroughs.